Hey family, Kurt with Caribeque. Today I'm going to be making a keto cheeseburger casserole. We all love cheeseburgers. Who doesn't? They're the best things ever. Today we're going to make a keto version of it, where first we brown our ground beef using Caribeque vegan whole beef rub. I'm just gonna add onions. I like onions in my cheeseburger, and lots of them, so we're gonna add onions. If you like pickles, you can take pickles, cut them up, add pickles. If you like other toppings, you can also add that. We're going to drain all the fat after we've added the toppings. We're gonna then top it with grated, shredded cheese. That's the cheeseburger part of the cheeseburger casserole. We're gonna put it in the oven on broil, just long enough to melt the cheese.